Hello and welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. Right now I am on Soi 4 and I'm going to be checking out the street food here. This is known as the adult playground where people can find pretty much anything, but so far there's shopping and I've heard that there's some sort of street food. I'm looking for a Som Tam. I hope that pops up. This right here is all just like bars, little go-go bars and adult entertainment. The world's largest adult playground. Got Hooters. But yeah, you can see some street carts right here. She looks mostly like a drink vendor. There's a lot of little currency exchanges and ATMs down here. Let's go check out what the price of American is. I think it's around 31. Yeah, so you would get 30.25. Not the best rate right there. Hello. No, thank you. So buddy right there was selling Cialis to make you last longer. Interesting things you can find on the streets here in Nana Plaza. And right here is a bunch of different massages, for 400 baht being the cheapest one. The smell of stale beer is in the air. It's quite hot out here at, it's about lunchtime, 12 or 1. Look at this skeleton right here giving the middle finger. Some of the massage signs here on Soi 4 have private room price. Wonder what that means. The little happy ending for 1,300 baht or something. Seen some sort of food. Hello, swadee cup.
Noodle soup.
Oh, soup?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know
What do you know soup?
do you know where Som Tam? Anywhere down here? Som Tam? Yeah? You good down here? Okay. I don't think homie there understood me. He only has noodle soup, which is totally fine, but I'm kind of feeling the flavor of a nice, fresh papaya salad. You know, like one of my first days back in Bangkok. I just gotta get that Som Tam. Half chili, full chili, we'll see. It's got a lot of meat skewers, salted fish. Ooh, looks like he does Som Tam. Swadee cup, cow rice Som Tam. Okay, I'll get one. This looks good. He's got beans, tomatoes, cucumber, and fresh young papaya. And all these meat skewers hanging up here. Looks like the fish has something in their mouth. So yeah, it's like a wooden mortar and pedestal. I think that he's like beating down the chilies first. And now he's chopping up some green beans. That's like a hefty portion. I wonder if someone else has ordered it. A lot of work goes into this fresh salad. It's like a young green papaya. They have the vegetables I just showed you. It has like the saltiness with fish sauce, and then there's like palm sugar to sweeten it. Just making sure those fish don't burn. She's about to pay with prompt pay, and I've been doing it, but for some reason the app that I have only works for like business or corporation prompt pays, and it doesn't work for personal bank account prompt pays yet. So I can't pay with prompt pay with this guy. Oh yeah, some citrus. You can just hear the birds whistling. Oh yeah, there's the salty, funky fish flavor. A lot of people seem to be getting the meats from this guy. What is it? Yeah. Must have been an order for someone else. He just asked me how much chilies, and I also see, I think he's using white sugar. He's not using palm sugar, guys. What kind of Som Tam am I getting right now? Pretty cool though. Check it out. Everyone's chilling. Beautiful day in Bangkok right now. And this guy's slanging out Som Tams. I might just take a seat right there. Oh, what the heck did he just put in there? Or was that like ginger or galangal? Nice.
So she was crying.
I do not know what's going in there. What did he just grab? I wonder if there's like small crabs or something. This might be a very local Som Tam I'm getting. Or Som Tam. I always say Tum, but I think it's Tam. Make sure to flip those fish. I wonder if it's like lemongrass or what that's shoved in their face. A couple and cup. Couple and cup. Man, this one smells intense. I don't even know. I'm pretty sure I see a little crab pincer and everything in there. I got the full shebang for 40 baht. And it comes with, looks like cabbage, a bowl and a spoon. Oh man. Hello. I am on the wobbliest little chair ever that's kind of broken, so if I go down during this video, you know why. I'm kind of trying to go back so I'm a little away from the camera, and I got a little dude right beside me on the right watching. But check this out. I have never really got a Som Tam that has like a little crab pincer, the little crab body, and the sauce, the liquid down below just looks fermented and intense. But on appearance, I'm kind of like wary and scared, but who knows, maybe it can be surprisingly delicious. the spice. The spice is crazy, man. Oh, oh. There he goes with his little soccer ball. I'm gonna need a moment to let that first spice hit, like, marinate. If I keep going, I'll probably get hiccups. Man, this little chair is super rickety. Woo! Alright, streets of Bangkok. Having first Som Tam, and did not go as expected. Yeah, I'm just sweating from that bite. The papaya is nice and crunchy. The fermentedness is not over the top. I think it's more in my head, just seeing like the little claws and the crabs and stuff. There's a lot of freaking chilies in here, bro. A lot of freaking chilies. I'm on fire. It is a popular spot though, so the locals must love it, so happy to give it a try. Just got a bean. Wow. That's pretty good, but these are the chilies he used, like these dried chilies. I'm not sure if that's normal to use the dried chilies like this. I always thought it was more of the fresh chilies. So this one, with using regular sugar and those dried chilies, is a little different than I'm used to. It's not what I woke up dreaming of, but I'll just say that. Whew. But that's enough complaining. This thing was 40 baht, so insanely good deal here. And it's right in front of a 7-Eleven. Always people there getting some delicious meat and Som Tam. Also, probably not in this video, but I'm trying to get like a few 1 baht coins or a 5 baht coin, because I brought all my water jugs, and at the end of this road before Benjikiti Park, there is a watering, what do you call it, like a water dispenser. So 10 baht gives you way too much water. It's like almost 1 baht a liter, but it gives you a little bit more than a liter. So when Shelby and I are in Thailand, that's how we get our water. Have to do little water runs every day or two. Oh, gotta push those chilies to the side, man. What is this thing? Tart and tangy. What the heck? It's almost like a tiny little mango almost. It's a big pit in the middle there. Oh, and it has some bitterness too. Wow. This is an intense trial by fire, right back into Thai food. Got all the flies crawling all over my legs. Mouth's on fire. Nose is about to start running. Get off me, you bastards. At some point I'm gonna have to go into these little crabs. Don't really know what I'm supposed to do with them. Do I just freaking crunch the shell? Woo. I see the light. Woo. I'm breathing fire. I'm going to outer space. It's growing on me. Let's have a tomato. Even the tomatoes are saturated with that heat. He's beat it all in with that stick. Maybe I should have went for that noodle soup. just hear the tuk-tuks flying by. Maybe I can just eat some of this cabbage when I'm dying. Anything for forgiveness. There's actually some pretty delicious cabbage. Yeah, I'm being a little wuss and avoiding those chilies, I'll tell you what. What do we got there? Some crab shell? Oh man. I'm dying. I'm dying here. I promise you, this is delicious. This isn't just torture. Thai spicy. Ped ma. Holy. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this whole dish. Like, every bite is death. And I've been trying to avoid eating the crab so I didn't have to chew on the shell. It seemed to make its way in there. I can't even think straight anymore. Maybe I should just feed this to the pigeons, or is that animal abuse? Oh, Lord Batundra. Any meat? This is really salty. More cabbage. I have the craziest head high right now. Not very often does this happen on this channel, but I'm tapping out, man. I want to go explore the street. This is gonna frickin' kill me and send me right back home before the adventure even starts. Wow, wowie wow. Alright. Show you my little seat there. So you got a picture of what I was trying to balance on. Oh man, I'm flustered. I can't even. I'm high as balls off spice. Yeah, see? All the connectors are broken. So it was a little wild sitting on that bastard. Sad day to throw food away, but here we go. Oh man, all those fishes are gone on that beach thing. He had one left over. I wonder if it's cooked to order or how that goes there. Need to gather my thoughts. All right, we are back after a sip of water. I've recollected my things. My goodness, if you like this content, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next one. A bunch more Thai content's coming, so make sure you hit the bell.